ngaze ngajabula. I'm like, lo muntu nimthatha. She's too busy on our screens. Akasinaso isikhathi sethu.
Ngiyawasaba ama-podcast.
Enzanani?
Hayi, ufuna ukungimake G.
Which is also fine how. Now uyenza ngendlela yakhe.
Yeah, he's very good.
Ne?
So, yeah, he
Absolutely.
is. Yeah.
Sisimbalingiba, how's your heart today?
Good right.
Ne?
Yeah, good right.
Yeah. You've just been working and out of the noise.
Yeah.
Intentionally?
Yes, because masingaqala from lapha kwi Real Housewives, angisiyena umuntu othanda uhula yazilungelo. I think that's why I decide ukuthi ithi ngiphume because I could see ukuthi isiya kwenye direction.
Sure.
And I'm not that person
Yeah.
anymore. So I think I've shot 5 episodes with them, but mayidlala kwisikhonkwane ngazuthi nje I've been there the whole time.
Sure.
Because I was like, no, I can't do this anymore. And besides, I'm an actress, so I think we also understand.
Yes.
Acting industry and ngapha reality with all these rich housewives about. So to me, it was like, listen down.
Did it make you feel like, how can I put this? Did it make you feel like, hi man, kuqokozela umphefumulo? There is just...
Yeah, because remember, Mabek approach, but okay, so what do you do? That time I was busy with bengenza being arrange my flowers. So I didn't want to go, but I was like, for business, I think it's good for me to go. You know, they kept on begging, and I was like, okay, cool, cause bang DM, you know, and I was like, okay, cool, let me do this. But zonke izinto esasithembisene nazo, esasithembisene nabo ngazo, zagcina zingenzekanga. Ngagcina sengishutha lento efunwa yibona. I don't know if you get what I mean.
Nithembisanani?
Angithi like, it's okay, you are coming here to push your business, we'll support you and all that. Mase kufika lapha ya akusenzeki ngalendlela esikhulume ngayo. Sengishutha omunye umbali manje ngamazi, and I was like, no, I don't think this is good for me. Yeah.
There was no, actually I don't remember any display of your business there.
Mangisangena there was,
yes.
But mase kufika like 10 I need to host.
Yes.
And they were like, no, but you can't host because it's Kati. And I was like, it's Kati kanjani, because everyone bega hoster ngesikhathi late. Nami, I was busy shooting something else.
Yes.
And you guys knew about it. Ngishuta something. I told them before. Okay, look, I just got a role now on Umkoka.
Yes.
And now, kuzofanele ukuthi sisebenzisane, uyabo? And then chiki hi no bekumele ngabe sishuthe. I was like, okay, ngiyabona ukuthi this thing iyakuphi. Remember Real Housewives, kuba khona nalaba babekwa, yebo?
Yes.
Kube khona la
classism.
Yes,
By production itself.
Yes, by production itself. Kube khona laba yabo, sort of vela ngithi kwenzelwa abantu ukuthi bezokwazi ukukhuluma. I was like, okay, shuthi I'm one of those, yebo? And I was like,
engibukelwa phansi.
yes, let me just
Yeah. Why did you leave during production, or you waited for the whole thing to end?
I left during production, and I remember makumele kushuthwe i-reunion. Ngingafuni ukuya.
Yeah.
Until I spoke to my casting director at the time on Umkoka. It was Phumza Raro. I spoke to her. I said, Phumza, I don't think I want to go to shoot this thing.
Yes.
And she was like, she said something to me with yazing. I was ukalinto ngayiqede.
Sure.
If ukalinto kumele ukuthi uyiqede mbali. And besides, remember ukuthi you're an actress. So if ungayiqedi lento, izokwenzela igama elingekho right.
Yes.
Sizoshutha nalo muntu, and then the next thing akasekho available to shoot. Yeah.
Crew rotates everywhere. It's the same people everywhere. Yes.
It was not even about that, but she just taught me something.
Yes.
When you start something, just finish it.
Yes. Do you feel like in general that entire show has a lot of fakeness?
I can't say much because nami ngisheshe ngahamba yabo, but bekuba khona somewhere somehow la like, remember what I said earlier on with mina I'm an actress yabo, somewhere somehow bekuba khona la nga understand ukuthi okay kwenzeke kanjani ukuthi okay but it's none of my business, mina I'm just here to push my business.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure. After ending, did you feel like, whew, thank goodness this thing is over?
I remember on set kumkhokha at the time bengijwayele ukukhuluma noKhwezi. I don't know if you know Khwezi.
Yes,
Khwezi
I do.
Ndlovu.
Yes.
Ngithi angiyifuni ngenhliziyo yami yonke lento le. She was like, but Chomi, ngithi yazi kwathiwa makuthiwa kuyaqeda ngathi thanks God.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
stress lungelo oba naso.
Really?
Yeah. Stress oba naso.
What's causing the stress?
Njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi izinto enisuke nivumelene ngazo
Sure.
zigcina zingasenzeki, not ukuthi ngikhuluma kabi yabo, but for me like I felt like ngathi ngiyabetrayeka somehow.
Actually, my name is going down the drain by
instead of-
doing this.
Yes,
Yes.
so let me just ngiyeke lento le. Yeah.
It's fair because you work hard as a performer to build a name, to be respected in the
Yes,
industry,
yes.
only for this one gig to just...
Yes, and remember ngiye la ngoba ngithi sometimes you as an artist you feel like ngathi abakuboni.
Yes,
yabo.
yes.
Then you want to push your brand, or you feel like sometimes you feel like you underrated or something. I was like, okay, cool, let me go push my business. And also abantu remember manje ukuthi izinto eziningi sezenzeka kuma social networks.
Yes.
So I'm like, okay, let me go there, push my name, push my brand, and then let's see ukuthi kwenzakalani after.
Yeah.
But kunalokho ngathola yabo, and I was like, no.
I'm gonna come back to Housewives a bit later because I can see it's not the best of,
Yeah.
of seasons in your life,
Yeah.
which is understandable because into yokubangela ingcindezi is not something you want to keep on thinking of. Yeah.
La ubona khona ukuthi angithandi ukuba sendaweni espacing la ngibona khona ukuthi
Yeah.
angidingeki la.
Sure.
Or ngitreateka ngenye indlela. I just decided ukuthi this is not for me. Sabantu vele siyakhula, siyawenza mistakes, uyitshela ukuthi uqala something uyithi izoba right. Endleleni kungenzeki ngale ndlela ofuna ngayo.
I actually want to speak about something that I feel like we deserve more from you,
Yeah?
but you're not giving us.
Like
The
what?
music.
Oh my God.
The music. Uyasikweleta. Izwite. Ngoba mina ngiyizwite. You changed our lives with that because it was such relatable music to us South Africans, but sasingawazi because as you say, brand wasn't as massive.
And that song I did it in 2018.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was before lockdown.
Yes,
Mangabe
yes.
sis. But njengisho ukuthi amanye ama reasons ukuthi ngiye lapha ku Real Housewives because I wanted to push.
Yes.
Yeah. So hey, nasi mengibona ukuthi hayi. But I was also shocked. Uma ngabe ngishutha Real Housewives ukuthi abantu they were so in love with the song.
Absolutely.
And I was like, kanjani? Because
Yes.
I pushed the song like a long time ago.
Yes.
But only now, la abantu beqala khona, I was like, oh, okay.
Yeah.
So kuyona Real Housewives angifuni ukuqamba amanga ngikhulume kambi. Khona
Okuhle.
engikuzuzile. Kuukuthi nje khona la engazange ngibe right khona mina.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
My mental health.
Sure.
Yeah, and as a performer, awuyidingi izinto
Sure.
ezinjalo yabo because awuyidingi into ezokuphazamisa umqondo. Remember, you just got a new role on Umkhokha,
Which is a massive
and it's
show.
a big show.
Yes.
So dinga ukuthi ufocus. So if uzoba busy ngapha it's not gonna work. Kuzoclash.
What did the song mean? What were the exact lyrics? And who was it for?
Okay, that song I dreamt of my grandmother.
Okay.
She was singing. Sorry. Ngaphupa kokwam, ngiphupa ngathi sihleli, but she kept on singing the song. He's waiting. And I'm like, Papa mina like, And then emva kwesikhathi I'm like, no man. lento isho something because I'm a singer, but unalento yokusaba ukuthi mhlawumbe abantu ngeke baku-receive ngale ndlela ofuna ngayo. Yeah.
Yes.
I was like, okay, cool. Let me record the song. I went to DJ Active. Ngathi ngifuna ukurekhoda le ngoma. Athi okay, ngiqale ngimtshele ukuthi umculo wami mina abantu abaningi abawu. I don't think bazo-understand. And he was like, okay, so ufuna ngikudlaleleni? Mina kahle kahle umculo wami unomaskandi phakathi. Athi okay, cool. And then adlala i-beat. Uma edlala i-beat, I was like, yiyo lento engiyifunayo. Then I put the voice, then yaphuma ingoma. Sayenza one day, one night.
Wow. Yeah.
One night.
Yeah.
And I released ingoma, and then I shot the video, and then yeah.
I know you speak fondly of your grandmother. Were you just explaining in the song what she said in the dream?
Yes. Yeah, Lungelo. Uzongikhalisa. Can I have tissue?
No problem.
So, angicela sibuyele kule nto later on if you don't
Okay.
mind.
No
Yeah.
problem. No problem.
Yeah, becoming emotional. about
Sure. Is the intention to keep writing that type of music?
it. Yes.
You know?
I think the whole thing, yeah, Real Housewives, yeah, it's home man. And I was like, okay, let me just put zonke izinto eceleni ngibe eceleni and push this because I've been wanting this. I've been wanting to be in a big show.
Yes. And have a big role.
Yes, a big role. Because the biggest role that we told was on Greed and Desire. I don't know if you know.
Yes, in Kumbula
that show.
Kahle.
Yeah, so that show
It had Tata Molamo, I think.
yes. That show, I was only going to be there for 3 months. But because abantu bantanda and the story Sakula, Nami, I was shocked. Yeah, because I knew it's okay, Gizela for 3 months, and then after it's Peli. So nam ngathuka mangabe story siqhubeka. Oh, okay. So after Greed and Desire, bese ngilokho audition ngithola ama-roles amancane. So I remember ngibuka umkhokha 13 parts. Hey, ngime ngibuka le show, I'm like, hayi ngeke. Ngiyadeserve mina ukuba la kule show. This is so me. Like
Yes.
isiZulu,
Yes.
uyabona nje.
Rich in
It's
culture.
Yes, culture. I'm like, no, ngeke. Hey, but uyabona ukuthi cast yoqediwe. Yeah. So even if uyangena la mbala uzobani, and 2, I don't even know ukuthi obani abenza le show. Yeah. Mayiphela mangibuka iphela, I'm like, hayibo. Oh, yenziwa uMandla kaNozulu. Oh, okay, noBab Gajeni. Bob Gajeni ngiyasebenza naye. Back then sajwayele ukuhamba ama-auditions eLion King.
Yes.
Yeah. Hey, ngithi okay. Ngizokwenza kanjani? Ngithi yazini, ngifonele uSitha Horror. Ngithi Sitha ngifuna athi uSitha animele vele mbali kumele ngabulawa wena isiZulu sakho yabo. Athi look, I don't know ukuthi uzowenziwa nini ama-auditions for because ngazi ukuthi kuzoba ne-season 1. But angazi ama-auditions bazowenza nini.
Yeah.
Bazowenza nini. So take this number and call this person. Ngimfonela, mangimfonela uMandla kaNozulu. Mangimfonela, I've worked with him, ngambongeni ngema back then. And
Yes.
he's also a friend here, babam. Hey, ngimfonele but Mandla azwe nje ngevoice athi how delay yabo. Is not delay because ngangiving ngemisaba ungema. So every time abethi angenzela ungema itiye, ngisase committed artist, I would take time, like maybe 15 or 20 minutes.
Yes.
I'm
To make
like,
sure it's
I'm a
perfect.
perfectionist. Yeah, and then ungema be like, hey, kodwa leli tiye ngizoliphuza. Delay. So igama laqala kanjalo. So ifonele. But Mandla athi oh okay, athi ngizomshaya uSitha. uSitha uya busy uqasha abantu la. Ngithi no, ukuthenga ifonele nje ngibuza ukuthi ama-auditions azoba nini. Okay, cool. Abe khona ama-auditions, bangifonele basho ukuthi i-channel icela ukungibona. I think uNkulunkulu mayesekuhlelele. I don't
come on.
think ukuthi uMandla mhlawumbe wayezongifaka emsebenzini.
Sure.
Oh, babugajeni ezongifaka emsebenzini. That time mina ngimfonela kanti vele bafuna umama kaMabusi, which
Yes.
is uHope.
Yes.
So ngiye kwi-audition. Mangiye kwi-audition yazi ukubone uma wenza into uya kwi-interview usho ngaphakathi uthi le eyami.
Yes. Yes.
I felt it. I was like, this one is my one. Ngiyibhadla. Ngakhumula icathulo ngayishiya ngaphandle. And then they're like, the stage is yours. Auditioning, ngishaye. Bacela ngiphumele emnyango ngaphandle. Ngilinde 10 minutes, I think 10, 15 minutes. Phinda ngibize futhi kuthiwa ngiyacelwa babugajeni nginikeza ama-notes. And then after that ngigudwe ngiye ekhaya. Emva kwesikhathi Lungelo ngingasebenzi ku-dry kule industry. Ngihambe, a friend of mine sidlule eMayi sidle inyama. Nasifile eMayi sidle inyama. I remember getting a message from uKanoZulu saying, what a beautiful audition. There's nothing that we can do now. We're just waiting for a channel to approve it. Actually, it's a channel. Fanele ukuthi approve. And I was like, okay, cool. And I got that message. That email was coming from Unulwazi Ishale. Saying, congratulations, you've got the role. Yo, I cried. I'm like, what? Mina? Kanjani? Emva kwesikhathi eside kangaka?
Ne.
Irole enkulu kangaka?
Ne.
Njani? Now senginovalo ke ukuthi how am I going to play this role, because ngizongena ezicathulweni zomuntu. Remember ukuthi beyidlalwa uSislinda, what's her name? Linda Sokholo, ne?
Yes. I remember.
Yo, abantu mhlambe ngeke bangithande.
Yeah.
Yazi abantu
And she's a big artist, big brand.
Yes,
Yeah.
abantu ngeke baze bangithande. So mhlambe bazothi bafuna yabo uzodwa wabo before, why me? Yeah. And I was like, yo, I don't even wanna watch more episodes. Why? Linda, because I don't disturb. Let me just play uzodwa ngendlela yami. So
Yeah.
I asked that time in director Menga Mem. I asked Menga, ngimdlale kanjani uzodwa? And he was just like, just play uzodwa. Just menza ngendlela yakho create a. And yeah, the rest is history. Yeah.
Interesting story. There's something you said ukuthi into ima uNkulunkulu esekudalelile
Yeah.
sekuyisikhathi sakho
Yeah.
sokuthi iphupho lakho lifezeke.
Yeah.
There's no one and nothing, no devil in the world
No.
that can stop it from happening
No.
from you.
Nope.
You just felt it
I
inside.
felt it inside.
Yeah.
And when babugajeni enginikeza ama-notes, I was like, yo, babugajeni phela yabo.
Unesithunzi.
So ngenhlanhla ngingasebenza naye.
Yes.
So ngihamba kakhulu ama-auditions wakhe, and Blend Music futhi kade ngayiqala. So the time ngihamba ama-auditions eLion King, we ended up sisebenza kaChiko Twala, backing lapha kaChiko. Sorry to call him Chiko Twala. So manginikeza ama-note, I was like, yo, ngiyamazi ukuthi u-straight here. But I was like, okay, let me listen. Ngenza exactly what he was looking for. Though ke mangifika kumkhokha, I thought yeah, ngiphumelele, but yo, ama-challenges engabhekana nawo. It was, and I said to God, kanti why I left the Real Housewives ukuzojoyina ngala, then ngapha futhi ngifika. It was
To us, it looked like Mkoka was beautiful.
It was a beautiful show, but behind the scenes, you get actors who will bully you on set.
Iqiniso kanti lelo?
Yes, it is.
Who do they think they are?
Mina ngabhulisheka ngishootha that show from the day iqala
Oh my
until-
goodness.
until iphele show. It was bad. It was very bad, Lungelo.
When an actor bullies,
Sorry to
Yeah,
cut you.
yeah, no probs.
Every single day, mangikhaya. Ngifika ngipake imoto ngikhaya. Ekuseni kumele ngivuke emsebenzini and smile. You do get those actors. Hey, she can act. Hey, uza no Real Housewife la ucabanga ukuthi lapho I can't explain to them ukuthi kwalento ngicabanga ukuthi ila kumina angiyifuni Venias. Angiyithandi.
Umenzeni umuntu aze abe naleyo narrative?
You know, these people Lungelo ozothi yabona nje ba nisebenza la ne-team yakho. Ungene someone uzoqasha omunye umuntu omusha ozosebenzisana nabo.
Yes.
But wonke umuntu uzofuna bazongamthandi nje. Abanye babasebenzi thinking ukuthi uzothatha ishine yabo. I'm not here to take your shine or treat kambi. I'm just here to play Zodwa, to feed my family, to feed idingo zami at the end of the day. So why ngizothatha ishine yakho? You playing your own role. I'm also playing my role. So ngithatha kuphi ishine yakho? And as you are saying, ukuthi I can't act. How am I going to take your shine?
Ngoba phela wena untswempu wena.
Yeah. I can't act. So how am I going to take your shine?
It's confusing to me because in a cast you're an ensemble. Everybody has their role.
Yeah.
We are all giving our best so that the show looks great. So how do I take your shining Ngambele?
The way engangijabuleka ngakhona ngithola that gig, I was very excited. I was very happy. Wawungibona ngisho ngihamba ukuthi hayi umbali uyasebenza, like
Yes.
happy. But indlela izinto ezenzeka ngayo yo. And it's sad because ezinye izinto igcina ifika kwi-channel. And the channel awukwazi ukufinyelela kwi-channel wena uchaza ukuthi no akusile nto le efika emadlibeni na. Yabo, you get to work with people told ukuthi bayaziwa vele le phezulu bazana nabantu baphezulu. And then will say bad things about you. And then channel will be like, hi, we can't work with this person anymore. Hayi uzosinika idrama lo. Hayi akakwazi ukusebenza nabanye abantu. Hayi because nabo bezwa lezi zinto abatshelwa.
Sure,
They're
sure.
not sitting you down ukuthi hayibo kwenza like ukwazi na ukuzikhulumela so that they can also understand and hear both side of the story. Mina ayikho umuntu ahlukumezeka kwiset njengami. Akekho.
We loved you so much as the audience.
Akekho.
You took us on a roller coaster of emotions
Thank
because we were resonating with what Uzodwa is going
And I
through.
had to. Do you know, working with someone and then go to action and then acting man talk cut. Bigili. Awazi ngimenzeni.
Yini lengaka?
Elengaka esibangayo.
Sure.
What have I done? What have I said to you? Like nginyathele kuphi ngixolise mawukuthi khona la nginyathele khona. And kufika la to a point where you like I fuck off phela.
I get you.
I
Sengikhathele.
fuck off. I've
Yeah.
been bekezela ring like I fuck off.
Ayithathaneke.
Ayithathane.
Yeah.
Because now you are here uzosebenzela nawe umndeni wakho uzosebenzela nawe inkinga zakho.
Yes.
Njengoba ungaka nje Lungelo unama bills ahleli la. But
Ngakutshela.
staff is understand.
Yeah.
Yasikhokhela imali yethu. You
Yes.
understand? Uyasebenza uvela kumkhokha.
Yes.
Hey, iphi imali, you understand? So now I had to fight for ongokwami.
Your character eventually died. Do
Yeah.
you believe you were written out because of those issues?
No. Remember after I left Mkhokha waphela.
Yeah.
So people can say whatever. So the story vele kwakufanele ukuthi siphele.
At some point.
At some
yeah.
point. So ukubulawa character yami, I was carrying the show ngokwestory uzodwa ikhwama. So ukubulala a story, I have to be killed as uzodwa. And then after ukubulawa kwaZodwa, it was not me only. I think it was gonna be 3 of us ababephuma showing because the story was about to end. So after Zodwa eshonile ebulewe, a lot of people were very angry. I'm not gonna mention names. I think 1 or 2 actors nabo basebe shutile ma death scenes wabo. And the channel came back was like, no guys, no one is going to die after school. And
Yeah.
because I remember ngibuka abantu bebhala ukuthi hayi ngeke abayeke uma bengafuni, hayi ngesawuba ukubambulalela, it doesn't make sense.
Yes.
Uzodwa ophethe ikhwama ufa kanjalo because she's got power. Yabo. Ayi ukuthi mhlambe nami ngangafuni ukuphuma kwishow, maybe the way mhlambe kwenzeka indlela abangikhipha ngayo, it did not make sense to
Sure,
people. So
sure.
angazi izinto ey'khulunywa behind the scenes, but with my understanding, I was doing my job, so I don't think it was going to be that. Ukuthi mhlambe kunento mhlambe mina engiyenzile behind that, no.